Welcome to another video. So we are told to solve for the value of x in an exponential something like cubic function. X raised to 2 minus x cubic is equals to 80. So I'm going to take you through step by step up to the final solution, where we're going to get the value of x and then get a chance to prove it or verify it. So feel free and watch up to the end. So you're watching us for the first time, kindly remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment. We also have a playlist that you're gonna check on more questions. So let us dive into the equation. On the solution part, this type of an exponential equation or an index equation, you can try to predict the value of x, but it's not easier. So the first step, I'm going to take 80 on the other side, so that I have x squared minus x cubic minus 80 is equals to 0. Well, now it's look at least a bit an equation. I'm going to write 80. I know 80 can be written as 16 plus 64. So that I'm going to write 16 as 4 squared and 64 as 4 cubed. So now I'm going to replace 80 with 4 squared and 4 cubed. So it changes to x squared minus x cubic minus 4 squared. I'm going to put there a bracket plus 4 cubic should be equals to 0. So then I can open the bracket using a negative, so that I get x squared minus x cubic minus 4 squared minus 4 cubic is equals to 0. So well, I'm going to collect like terms, x squared and 4 squared together, so that I get x squared minus 4 squared minus x cubic minus 4 cubic is equals to 0. Next, I'm going to factor out. So this is x squared minus 4 squared. And then this, I'm going to factor out negative of 1, so that it becomes x cubic minus 4 cubic, of course, is equals to 0. So guys, recall that if I have a squared minus b squared, this can be written as a minus b, a plus b. And if you have a cubic minus b cubic, then this can be simply be written as a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. Of course, I'm going to write my equation in this form, so that wherever I have x squared minus 4 squared, I write it as x minus 4, x plus 4, then minus, remember I factored out 1, where there is x cubic minus 4x cubic, I'm going to write it as x plus 4, another bracket, x squared minus 4x plus, of course, when you square 4 you get 16 is equals to 0. So guys, I can factor out x plus 4, so that I'll have x minus 4 minus 1 in bracket x squared minus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. So that means I can open the bracket here and collect like terms inside here. So it's gonna change to x plus 4, open another bracket. If you collect all these like terms, you're gonna get negative x squared, of course, plus 5x minus 20 is equals to 0. There's minus 4 here, and if you open using this negative, this is going to change to minus again. So then it goes without saying that x plus 4 is equals to 0. Remember, this is the product of two functions. X now becomes negative 4 as my solution for the value of x. For the other side, I'm gonna get, it is a quadratic equation, x squared negative of x squared plus 5x minus 20 is equals to 0. Using the quadratic formula, I know that my a now becomes negative 1, b also becomes 5, and c is negative 20. Negative 20. So using the quadratic formula, so now the value of x becomes negative of b, so I'm going to get negative of 5, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that is 5 squared, minus 4 times a, of course a is negative 1, times c, that is a negative 20, all over negative 2 times a, so that is x is equals to negative 5 plus or minus negative of 50, negative of 55 over 2 as the second value of x.